Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. That is a quote from Buddha. And that is how we are starting out this reading, Divine Collective. One of my favorite quotes. Again, holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. Think about that. Someone here is blaming you for their burdens. Divine Collective. Remain silent, remain observant. I'm hearing a web of lies. This web of lies is now unraveling, Spirit is telling me. The truth is coming to light. Trust your instincts, Divine Collective. You ending something is someone's karma. That is what Spirit is telling me. April is of significance in this reading. I'm getting April. I'm picking up on fraudulent activity here, get rich quick schemes, bad investments, exploitation. It's almost like someone here wants you to care that they're hurting, that they're going through karma. And I hear the ancestors saying, why would you care about them hurting when they put themselves in this situation? Someone here runs away to avoid seeing themselves, Divine Collective. For some of you, you were once married to someone who was a thief, and they were lying to you about how they got their money, Divine Collective. I feel like for so many of you, you created boundaries, you pulled your love back from this person, okay? And you walked away from the situation, from a thief, Divine Collective. And now this person's showing up as if they want to fight for a connection, but this is someone who runs away to avoid seeing themselves, okay? Yeah, this is also someone who's into fraudulent activity, like they're into get rich fast schemes, Divine Collective, like fraudulent PPP loans, that type of thing, okay? Someone here was mocking your pain. Spirit says mocking the pain that they caused. There was not an equal give and take in this situation. It was not equal. 1212 is of significance. Spirit is telling me 1212. This is a situation from the past. I feel like Spirit is asking someone to resolve any type of regret from the past, Divine Collective, okay? It's about resolving regrets from the past. 1212 is of significance. It's because it's time to enter into something new here, Divine Collective. Picking up on a love-hate situation. Mind games. Someone playing mind games here. Someone trying to play over your crown, but you are too high ranked, okay? Spirit says your triggers are your teachers, Divine Collective. Whatever triggers you reveals what still needs to be healed, okay? Pay attention to that. I started paying attention to that specific card, Divine Collective, probably about a year into my awakening, when I was asking God, you know, can you reveal to me what I still need to work on? And I came across this download, Divine Collective, and I'm like, perfect. So now whenever I start to feel a certain way outside of my normal energy, Divine Collective, I know that that's a trigger, and that's something that I have to work on, right? So that's God letting me know, like, hey, listen to what it is that you're feeling, go within, try to figure out why you feel that way, why what they said to you triggered you, what in what they said, or what in that action that they took triggered you. And I started to do that, Divine Collective. And you know, I'm telling you, with every step that I took along my journey, my life just started to get better and better, Divine Collective. You know, I was co-creating with God each and every day. I still am each and every day, and it's the most beautiful, beautiful feeling in the entire world, Divine Collective. If it wasn't for, you know, God putting me in this position, I would not be on social media in public, Divine Collective. You know, this isn't something that I had planned for my life. This is absolutely something that God had planned for me. So I wake up each and every day and do this for God, just to, you know, show all of you that if I can make it through Divine Collective and I tell you all my stories, then you all can do the same. Okay? You can break through the programming, you can break through the conditioning, all right, and start to live a healthy, prosperous life. There's a third party here that paid someone to do spell work on you, Divine Collective. Spirit says you leave someone tongue-tied, unsure on how to respond. There's someone here that you're helping this person to heal. You're helping them to rejuvenate, Spirit is telling me. So I do feel like this is a past situation where it's time for two people to come together and heal. Not so to say come together and rekindle anything, but come together and heal, Divine Collective. You know, something about regrets of the past, accepting, moving forward, and yeah, just moving on, Divine Collective. Justice is here. 10-11 is of significance. I also got 12-12. Someone here may get belligerent after being called out. I see someone here getting very loud and just really ghetto belligerent because they're being called out about something, Divine Collective. It could be a woman crying and upset here because they're getting called out about something, Divine Collective. 911, yeah, 911, emergency situation possibly, 911. Yeah, someone has a heavy heart here, Divine Collective, someone that has done too much, right? When it pertains to you, they're thinking a lot about you here. They have a very heavy heart, Divine Collective. They're finding out that not only did they not protect you, but they allowed third parties to also come in and, you know, attack you. They found out they were paying for spell work on you, Divine Collective. So yeah, this person has a very heavy heart in the moment as Spirit is revealing to them the truth. Okay? And God's truth is never distorted, okay? Someone was purposely withholding from you here. You were dealing with a very greedy energy. They were purposely withholding something. Cousins are of significance. It's like a group here. I got cousins right away when I seen this group visually. It's like a group of cousins talking about you. Spirit says they should really repent because of the things that they're saying. Okay, 9:46 on the clock. They're trying to control the narrative by saying bad things about you. Okay, they're trying to control the narrative.